So there, you had a nurse who's probably been working 19 hours a day for the past few weeks to save people's lives, being faced down by a protester who's like, no, just like let everything open up. And if that leads to far more people needing the help of heroes like you, that's a cost I'm willing to have other people pay.
I have no words. I mean, once again, the amount of heroism and bravery from nurses, and especially that nurse in particular, being able to stand down some idiot in their Dodge Ram or whatever that was, just like honking at them, who's got a dumb sign that says land of the free, but you can't really see of the, so it just looks like land free.
Yeah.
I mean, like, again, I've been in those situations where you're at a protest, you're short, your adrenaline is going, and you're being targeted. And I can only imagine this guy is being targeted not only, I don't know why. I think I heard something, go back to China in there.
Let me ask you a question. So I didn't see the other angle. I've heard that nurse is Asian, but I'm not sure. Do we know that? Was it just a political sort of weird thing for that protester to say, or was it a racist insult to go back to China for this person?
I don't know specifically. What I can tell you is that nurse was very attractive.
We can confirm that.
And listen, there were no masks on his forearms. And listen, that
because they couldn't fit around it.
Fit around them. But yeah, I mean, like, this is where we're at. We're celebrating racism. We're celebrating ignorance. Like, if, again, we can do better than this. If you think that in November we don't have a chance to do better, you're out of your goddamn mind. I'm sorry. We need to take this seriously. Those people need to crawl back into the holes from whence they came, right? Like, no more of this. We've seen it far too much. There's way too much glorification of people, white people, saying whatever the hell they want to people of color. That is not okay. You bet your ass, like, if we were not quarantined right now and it's springtime, how many new videos of white people yelling at black people about where they can and cannot go? That is Trumpism. This is the new country we are living in. Just because you're not seeing it or feeling it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. We got to send the zombie apocalypse home. These are people saving our lives. The least we can do is, I think, defend them. And at this point, what I'm saying is defend them with our vote.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, more than 1,500 people died just yesterday. And Nabila Islam, who's running for Congress right now, she sent out a meme that had an image of a cop like brutalizing an African-American individual with the argument, just obey authority. People being caged because they try to get into America, not following the rules, just obey authority. And these conservatives now, stay at home so that I don't kill a bunch of senior citizens with my asymptomatic spread of coronavirus. No, that affects me. I don't believe in obeying authority anymore. Now it's all about the snake and don't tread on me and all of that stuff. Yeah, these social movements, man. If you're just kneeling, you are a thought criminal and potentially a traitor.
Yep.
If you are crowding the streets in defiance of social distancing and all of this, then you are a patriot. That's what it is. If you're spreading death, you're the best sort of person. If you are peacefully, indeed silently protesting, you are the worst sort of person. Check out the Damage Report podcast each day, wherever you get your podcasts, whether Pocket Casts or Stitcher or iTunes. You can join me as I give you the news and stories you want, with a range of co-hosts and interview guests jumping in on the fun each day. Again, that's the Damage Report, wherever you get your podcasts. And if you get them at iTunes, don't forget to rate and review. Sometimes I'll read them live on the show.